Stella. He is. I know. I'll go right there, right at the cusp.
That ankle, that better?
Yeah, what do you? Oh.
Yeah, I can straight.
Okay.
He'd probably be better like in this little, in a swing or something, because he's sitting up so much. He won't know. Oh, he knows. What do you think?
What's that?
What do you think? What do you think? Might be better to go like that there.
Yeah.
Be like that, lean back.
What do you think of that?
Yeah. Drag it.
Want too much of it.
There we go.
What is that?
What is it? Did it go down? I don't know.
I don't think it did.
He's doing good.
What do you think of that spoon? Yeah. You never had a spoon in your mouth before.
You eating like a big boy. There you go. Oh, grab his own box. Sleep it at the switch.
Spit a lot of that one out. Yeah. Do you like it?
There you go. There you go. Get it.
Oh, that was messy. Messy.
Yeah. It's definitely eating it.
You're doing pretty good.
He's doing
Isola.
really.
I'm trying
Let's see. What are we doing, huh?
What is this? What is this?
It's definitely eating. I will go eat that. There. Good job.
What do you think?
Do you think? Want to try it, Tom? Try again. You gotta go faster. There you go. There. There. You went in. Go again, quick before you. See, you gotta go. You gotta go faster, and he likes it. You gotta go quicker. There you go. Yeah, that's good. He likes it.
You're eating it.
He's eating it.
You're
Good
eating
boy.
it. Just like thick formula.
Yeah, yeah. He's doing it. Keep going. There you go. Yeah, the little cutie.
It's all over your face.
That's it.
Yeah.
Good job. He likes it. Okay, I've never seen a baby do this on the first try. They usually they're so confused and they spit it right out. He likes it.
You're doing pretty good.
Logie.
Yeah, that's what I said the other day.
Yeah. He probably wants to grab the spoon. That's always tricky.
Yeah. Do you like it? You like it?
There you go. Now that looked like he got it better. Maybe he's done.
Yeah, that might be enough.
We might-
That was kind of a lot. That was
good,
like
yeah.
half of it.
Yeah. Okay.
You're like, just give me the ball.
Yeah, no, I think that's he's like, I'm done with that. Yeah, but that was still good boy. That was good. Yeah, okay. Well, gotta start somewhere. Let's start somewhere. That was good. I don't know if they have to burp when they eat food. Yes, bottle's coming too. Bottle's coming too.
You did a good job, baby. Good job, Logan.
Good job. Okay, okay.